Oh, my mind was elsewhere. Well, here we are again, sort of a couple of hours after starting the construction work with the native timber, and it'll end up looking what I call rustic. Rustic meaning in the English language very countrified, very rustic and rural, made out of what you have on hand. So yes, and we'll have a nipa roof, the old-fashioned, like we say in the UK, the thatched roof, made of straw, but it's something similar, but not quite. So I think we've got enough spare timber, or kahoe timber on hand to complete the job, apart from the roofing, and that we'll get tomorrow from Taliban. So it could all be done by this time tomorrow, finished, complete, you know. So it'll be good. So we've got all the modern tools here. We've got a 1/4-inch chisel, one broken hammer, and a blunt saw. But I have got my super job mate from Mitre 10 skill saw that I've just been using down there to rip up this 4x2 or 2x4. We call it 4x2 in half, so it makes it a 2x2, which will go along here and on the other side also. So just a quick update, guys. So thanks for watching always, and take care as always. Also, we'll see you on the next video, huh? Stay safe.
Hawire din sa kamot ito ha. Hawira ang tumoy ba? Masipyat dito. Lagpot. Lagpot unta to. Wow.
Very good.
So dusty.
Easy, huh?
Easy.
Don't show my feet.
Okay.
I'm not wearing safety boots. So someone will write to Yahoo and YouTube. That's one side.
Igor ang duha ani. Sumpayon lang ni siya no. Yeah. You will just